The program we are doing is called Digital Access Program. And Digital Access Program, the whole ideology, the whole philosophy is how do we make access to digital tools that power the digital economy equitable for all. So there is what we call digital jobs, which means that these jobs really, they require your intellect and your skills on how to manipulate technology to get certain tasks accomplished. So ladies and gentlemen, having laid this foundation, if we were to create digital jobs which will require technology to work, it means that we need high-speed internet connectivity, or what we ordinarily call broadband, more sophisticated language.
My name is Solomon Ayamova. I'm the head IT project ICT agency in Edo State. So I'm part of the delegate for the deliberation of technical support. It's analyzing the reform on right-of-way and digital job playbook. The event was impactful and exciting, and the deliberation was educating, and we started working on the digital workbook policy. So at the end of this event, I believe the takeaway will help Edo State know what digital opportunities are available in the state and how we can harness those opportunities to prosper our state and also improve the economy of the state.
It would be nice if we actually find these jobs and identify them so that we can push government to pin these job spaces and make them available for our people. And ultimately, we all win. We should win. We should win, really. All of us should win.
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Olu Adekunle. I am a monitoring and evaluation specialist with the Nigerian Economic Summit Group Policy Innovation Center. Yes, why we are here is actually, to rub mind, how we can adopt locally and act on what they call the digital jobs playbook. As you are aware, where the technology, ecosystem, both locally and globally, is becoming very dynamic. So it's been very, very productive. The inputs, the interaction has been very, very rich over the course of the last 2 days. And I believe that Edo State, if they adopt and implement the fine points of the digital jobs playbook, will definitely, begin to feel the impact of the benefits in the nearest future. So thank you very much.
My name is Olushola Odubi. I'm Partnerships Engagement Manager at Tech for Dev. These events have been super amazing. We've been in Benin City since June, and it's very endearing to see stakeholders leave their jobs, their clients, and show up for these events. Every single time we have called them to show up. We've had 3 physical events for 2 whole days, and this couldn't have been possible without the support of the Nigerian Economic Summit Group for convening this initiative. So we want to thank the Nigerian Economic Summit Group, the Foreign Commonwealth Development Office, for their continued support in ensuring that the Benin City, Edo State as a whole is inclusive in the digital transformation. We're grateful to the Ministry of Digital Economy, Science and Technology, and also to the ICTA for their continued support in mobilizing all the stakeholders that are here today, to all the private stakeholders, CEOs, directors, assistants and representatives that were all, present at this event. We're super grateful for your